We want to quickly learn if our product has real value, right? So the sooner we find this out, the less expensive it's going to be to adjust our strategy. And the key there is to fail fast and succeed faster. So the goal with user research is going to be that we want to get real feedback from real people. That way we're making decisions based on empirical evidence and not just assumptions. Oftentimes we have a habit of building solutions to suit our needs. However, the truth is that our users are not us, which means that their needs are different. So let's start with our first research method, surveys. And surveys are a great way to start doing user research if you've never done it before. This is because you can easily cover a large population sample. This makes it ideal for enterprise level companies, but surveys are also great for any size company because they're efficient and low cost. This means that they can easily be tailored to fit any budget. It's important to realize, however, that the larger the population sample, the more helpful the data is going to be. If the surveys are anonymous, that's going to help people feel more comfortable leaving honest feedback, and that's really what we're looking for in a survey. It can even increase the response rate if people know that their answers are anonymous. So there's a lot of survey tools out there, but one that I'd like to mention is typeform.com. And this is a really great tool because the interface is very visual and it allows for a lot of customization. They have a basic plan, which is free, but if you need more options, they also have paid plans as well. Our next research method is focus groups, and focus groups are simply moderated discussions with a group of users. So ideally here, you're going to want to assign a non-stakeholder as a moderator. The reason that we want to do this is so that they take a neutral position and give everyone a fair chance to voice their opinions. Focus groups are great for answering attitudinal questions. So this is, what are people saying? How do they feel? What are they saying specifically about the interface? One of the benefits of a focus group is that we have the opportunity to ask for clarification, whereas you might not have that chance in a survey. This way we can get some of the thinking behind the responses. And our last research method is individual interviews. And like focus groups, we can get that more in-depth information by asking follow-up questions, and we can even observe the user firsthand as they perform their tasks. Since it's a one-on-one setting, we can explore some more sensitive topics, and we may even get honest opinions without the bias of a group setting. A really powerful tool for accomplishing this and other types of research is usertesting.com. So this is a premium service, but it's very powerful, and you can do just about any type of user research that you can think of using this tool. Now I'd like to talk about user personas. And while they're not a specific research method, they are extremely helpful for the team to gain a better understanding of the target audience. Through user personas, we can learn about the user's goals, their challenges, and better connect with them to understand their pain points. Personas are also a powerful tool to align stakeholders and focus the discovery process. This will get everyone on the team speaking the same language. They also better prepare us for any user objections, which allows us to quickly customize our strategy accordingly. But remember, with user personas, they're only as powerful as the research that goes behind them. And now I want to take a look at an example of a user persona. Here we have Mark Valentino. He's a sales rep that wants to convert more leads and close more deals. However, some of the challenges he faces is that the current software makes it difficult to understand who's ready to buy. In addition, he has many manual tasks he needs to perform that take away from his sales opportunities. He's also not very technical and doesn't think he has time to learn a new system. By encapsulating some of the thoughts of our target audience, we can craft the user experience to drive home our messaging. In this case, that Salesforce will help you convert more leads and close more deals. If you're not in the habit of already making user personas, it's a good idea to build a bunch, a few for each of your power users, for example, sales, marketing, service, etc. This will help give a bigger picture and also find similarities between those who are using Salesforce differently.